How to set up a Google app password. So this will allow you to sign into your Google account without using your standard password, and you can also use this to link third-party apps to your Google account. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. So the first thing we need to do is go and open up an internet browser and head over to the website google.com. Now make sure you're signed into your Google account, and then you can click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. Now select Manage your Google account, and from the left hand navigation, click on Security and Sign In. You can then scroll down the page and you'll see the option for how you sign in to Google. Now, before we can add an app password, you need to make sure that two-step verification is turned on. So if you haven't already done this, click on two-step verification, and then you can press the turn on two-step verification button. Now, once your two-step verification has been added, you can head back over to your Google account and click on the search box at the top of the page. You then need to search for app passwords and click on app passwords from the list of options. You can then go and give this app password a name, and this can be important to identify which app passwords belong to which app. You can then go and press create, and now you'll receive this 16-digit password. Now make sure to go and save this somewhere safe, as when you close out of this window, you'll no longer be able to see it. You can then go and press done. Now, once your app password has been created, you can basically use this password to sign in to your Google account instead of using your regular password.